Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. Okay, as I've already explained you, there is a descending order of crude is coming downside, and from there we have seen it has break this particular level, and this is where we have seen it has made a high of around 97.60. Again we have seen the same pattern forming at this particular level. It breaks this particular zone, and this is when we have seen it made a high of around $88.8. Okay, and now it is moving slightly in this particular zone. Okay, before we move forward in crude, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in crude, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at the chart, which is a high probability we can see crude can move further upside because a swing formed at this particular level and a ascending order trend we have seen on the upside. Suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $89.59 again. Okay, and if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $90.53. okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $94.77, which is again a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $97.84. okay, and once the price comes close to $97.8, then we can see it can touch a level of, it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $101.85. okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go further high towards a level of $105.15. okay, and these levels are already being a weak resistance, so probability is again we can see it can touch a level of $111, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 114, and if this 114 sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $123 and can go further upside. Okay, now market is uncertain, you have to understand this. Whenever there is because profit booking can come anytime. Okay, so you have to understand something, that if there's a particular resistance, say that there can chances will be high that profit booking can come. So what you have to understand, you have to be ready with your trailed SLN, because if you suppose and your defined risk for a particular trade, okay, so that your what you have on or what your profit, it should not get wiped out, or your capital should not get wiped out. Okay, so once suppose if this particular level is sustained, what we can see, okay, suppose if this particular level is sustained, we can see it can come down again to a level of $85.9, and suppose if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $84.4. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $81.22, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $80.63. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $77.62, and if that level goes down, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $73.49. okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $68.14. okay, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $65.69. okay, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can go further down. So you have to understand something, if the price fall below 85.69, then only we can see it can touch a level of $77.7, and from there if that fall, then only we can see it can come into a zone of $65 to $70, and in that also didn't sustain, then we can see it can fall further down, because if the price fall below a level of around 81, and this level has not come since January 2022, so there is a high probability we can see it can move further low. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if new to my channel,